Hi there, Cheryl here. I wanted to take a moment and introduce myself, welcome you into this diversity and inclusion workshop that we're going to be embarking on over the next couple of days. This first document that I'm going to share and discuss with you is the workshop outline. So you can see on this document that I've shared through Google Docs with you as well, my contact information. If you have any questions, you can reach me by telephone, by email. You can see my Zoom link to a meeting room for you to schedule an introductory session with me so we could review the project requirement of this workshop. You'll see a description of the workshop here as well, and a breakdown of workshop outcomes I hope to cover with you, as well as the assignment and methods of evaluation. So do take a moment to review all the information that's been sent to you through Google Docs, including the assignment descriptions as well as the rubrics. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out to me so we can review them together. The next document I'm going to review with you really quickly is the workshop schedule. So you'll see a breakdown over the next 3 days what your assignments will look like. The assignments for the first 2 days include a reflective exercise. There is some pre-workshop information that I expect you to take a look at before we start. That includes, as I was mentioning, just exploring the workshop materials, taking a look at the assignment and the rubrics, and also taking a look at this introductory video and uploading an introductory video of yours. So if you have any questions regarding some of the online tools such as Zoom or Microsoft Teams or a suite of other tools that I have suggestions about that you can utilize, give me a shout or an email and I can help guide you. On day 3, you will see a time set out for the project coursework. So this is going to be a big chunk of your time and a deliverable for the workshop. So it's really important that we touch bases before the course starts and throughout if you have any questions. Another document I wanted to review with you includes the workshop plans and activities for the first day. I'm going to be posting a short video and sending it to you before each workshop day commences, just to give you an overview of what to expect in the day. So here you'll see what we have planned for tomorrow and the time frames and what to expect. So take a moment to take a look at that as well. And then as well, I have also sent you through Google Docs a document entitled an Outcomes Guide Worksheet. So this gives you a little bit more of a breakdown of some of the outcomes and goals that I'm hoping that we can accomplish together as we embark on this workshop. So thank you for taking a moment to watch this video. I hope you really enjoy the workshop that we're going to be working on together. Again, if you have any questions or comments, or if you need anything, please reach out to me. And I'm looking forward to seeing your videos and meeting you all virtually here very soon. Take care.